We're going to just quickly apprise our viewers of the news that you're just breaking right now. At the back of the state government of Jammu and Kashmir coming out making it clear that separatist leaders will not be detained. Conflicting signals coming in from New Delhi on whether Hurriyat leaders will be detained or not. While the state government has denied any plan to detain the hot sources in the centre indicate otherwise. The Jammu and Kashmir government has been told orally to take all measures to prevent separatist leaders to come to Delhi for talks. If needed, they should be put under house arrest. If they try to leave Srinagar, even by chance, if they arrive at Delhi airport, they will be detained there at the airport. It's rather interesting with what we are witnessing right now because away from, the diplomatic posturing, away from whether or not these talks will happen, there are ramifications being felt back home where state and centre now completely away from each other on this basic issue.
Well, yes, that looks to be the bigger concern here because clearly what the PTP government is thinking in Jammu and Kashmir doesn't seem to be in line what the BJP government is thinking at the centre here. And which is why you're seeing those reports coming in through, of course, sources that on the one hand, while the centre has asked the Jammu Kashmir state authorities to ensure that the Hurriyat leaders don't get to travel to New Delhi for this said meeting, on the other hand, but the Jammu Kashmir source is saying that no, we will not detain these Hurriyat leaders again because yesterday when they tried doing that, they drew considerable flack even from an opponent like Umar Abdullah, and his tweets actually sounded like a poetic irony of sorts. But on the other hand, there is also a degree of considerable confusion at the centre. There's been a issue in the last 24 hours. On the one hand, Ravi Shankar Prasad claiming that Jammu Kashmir law and order is a state subject. So if the police went ahead and detained these Hurriyat leaders yesterday, they are to be questioned. But at the same time, sources indicating to media that centre was trying to send out a signal to these Hurriyat leaders that if you try and come with Satajazis, we will have you put under house arrest. So, there is no clarification if yesterday's action was actually based on the Jammu Kashmir police, on the initiative of the state government itself, or was it actually acting under the centre.